Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to see one wonderful e-commerce website that I have created with the help of MERN stack technology. And for styling purpose, I have used Tailwind CSS. So let's get started. This is the home page, and here you see at the hero section I have used one background image, and here is the title of the website. And after that, in this section, featured product is there. In this featured products, I kept 3 recent products. So like whatever products you use, it will show the 3 recent products here. After that, this is one section, and this is another section, and these are the static one. Okay, and this is one beautiful footer. Now let's come into the important part, that is the product section. Here you can see the products, and this is the dynamic data. So whatever you see here, these are added from the admin section, and the data are coming from the database. And here you see pagination is added here. Pagination is added, you can go to the next page, and also you can go by number, right? And there is the filter section. Like if you click on bag, it will show only the bags, and if you click shoe, it will show bag and shoe. Like this way this filter works. And here you can select the minimum price and maximum price. If I select minimum price 400, you see only the products that are having price above 400, it is a coming. And if you select the maximum price 500, and you see there is only one product, right? So the filter is working fine. Now here you see that rating is there. So rating is one of the complex thing. So here you see the ratings, like 1-star rating, and the number is that it is having only one review. So if you go inside this like view, and here you will see that the individual product page, and here at the top you see the rating, and in bracket you see the number of ratings. And here you see that images, you can use multiple images, and these are not image link, these are image. You can add image, right? You can upload image. So here you can change, like click here, the images are changing. So this is one of the advanced facility. And in the description section, you see the description, this is only one field. From the backend you have to add one field, and for this one, like I have used one text editor, and the name of the text editor is React Quill. And here you see the reviews, right? And here this review, product is very bad, review is given by the user, me code, right? And all the everything that you see are responsive. Like if I reduce the size, you see these are responsive. Every page is responsive. Now let's log in. So after login, we are redirected to admin dashboard page because the user was admin. That's why we are redirected. If the user was not admin, it didn't redirect to admin page, because this admin page is allowed only for the admin. Now let's go to the home here, and here you see the dashboard. So if the user is admin, then only this dashboard comes. And again let's come to the products. So here if you come to the products, here you see that we got the cart icon. Earlier this cart icon was not there. So the cart icon we will get only when we are logged in. So now let's add product to cart. Product added to cart. Okay, and here you see the number is increasing. Immediately the number is increasing. We need not to refresh. Save here you see the numbers are increasing. So again, also if you go inside the individual page, here you see this add to cart button. It was not there when we were not logged in. Now let's go to the cart section. And here you see the cart items. Here we can see the image, price, and we can increase the number, increase and decrease the number. Increase it, and here you see the price is increasing. Here also the price is increasing. Increase, and also we can delete product. Like we can delete any product. Delete it, it is deleted. Now we can proceed to checkout. And for the payment gateway, we have used Stripe, and this is the Stripe dashboard. And here let's give email. These are dummy data. Now let's pay. And after successful payment, it has redirected us to this payment successful page. And here you see the cart item became 0 after successful order. Now coming to this, let's come to this orders page. And here you see we ordered this product, this one. And now let's view. And here you see we got this. So here the product detail is here, quantity 3, price this one, and total price this one, right? So order details we can see here, and here is the order ID. And one important thing is that here you see delivered, right? And after delivered, like the admin, now this user is admin, so this admin can like go to this orders. This admin can change the status of this order. Now we got this recent order was this, right? So here you see the status is paid. So if it is changed to delivered, and again go to home, and let's come to the order, and here it is changed delivered, right? So after it is changed there, and admin, the user can see the update here. Now if you see here, after it is delivered, the user can review this product, review that particular product. Anyone can't review the product. Only after purchasing the product, the user can review the product. So now let's review it. Let's give rating 5. This is wonderful product, right? Now let's submit the review. Review submitted successfully. Okay, now let's go to the product section, and here you see 2 reviews are there. Earlier it was only 1, like the average rating was 1. Now we have given 5, and now the average rating is 3. Now let's come here, and here is the average rating is 3. And let's go below, and here you see customers review. First one is very bad, second one is this is wonderful. Okay, now, and this was the like client section. The normal user can see this section. Now let's come to the dashboard. So any admin, whoever admin is, he is admin, and also one admin can work as normal user, right? He can order, he can add to cart, everything he can do that normal user can do. Now let's come to the dashboard. So here this is the dashboard, wonderful dashboard, and here you see whatever you see here, these are live data. Total 6 items are sold, total products, total 11 products is there, and total revenue we generated is this. These all are dynamic data, and all the sale became, the all 6 sale became in this month, January month. Okay, and now let's come to this product page, and here you see the products are there, and here also there is pagination, and we can filter the product here also, like the client section. So like the admin can check the product by filtering as per category, and the admin can edit product. Now let's go to the add new, and here you see the admin can add product. And one important thing is that here is the description section, and here we use the text editor. So here like this is product description, right? So we can like change the text to bold, we can change any one particular section to this, and like we can underline this, right? So here this is the text editor, and here we can do multiple things. Okay, we can give link also, and here the image section we can add multiple images. Let's add some images. Add this, and again add another image. Okay, select the price, stock, select category jeans, and here let's give title, and here we can do lots of things, right? We can change the font, we can change this heading, like the font size. Okay, and we can add image, we can add link. So now let's add the product, and you'll see it at last. This one we just added. We can edit any product, right? So here's the edit section, we can edit any product. Here you see this product, so here we can edit anything. Like at top, let's type edit, and we can change anything. Like comfortable, we can mark it like bold or underline. Okay, we can underline this, and like this way we can edit any other thing. We can delete images, we can delete image from here, right? And now let's save. We edit the I removed the image, I have deleted the image. Let's add an image. Add image, add another image, now update. Okay, now let's go to the last, and here you see images came. So we can add image, we can delete image, right? Now this was the product page, and the filter is working fine. Now let's come to this products category page. So here we can add category. Now let's add any category. Let's add any category like mobile. and we can create the category. We can add description or not. This is optional field. Create category, and here you see we added this mobile, right? So now mobile is added, and we can edit the category, like now edit this one, and we can add description like this is for all kind of mobile. Update this, and it is updated. Okay, so category. Now let's see the users. Here we can see the user. As of now only one user is registered. There is this admin only. After that, user, let's come to this order section. Here we can manage the order status. Like we can view the order, we can view the order, and we can view the order, we can change the status like delivered to whatever. Like at first it will be paid, so from here we can like change it to shipped or delivered, right? And now let's come to this review section. So here we can manage the review, like we can see the reviews and we can delete the reviews. Like this review we don't like, we can delete this. Okay, here you see after like deleting it got refreshed automatically. So this was the admin page, and this page is also responsive, right? So here you see this page is also responsive. Like we can remove this one. Okay, so every page is responsive here. Now let's come to this home and check the responsiveness. Here you see it is responsive. Let's go to the products. Here you see it is responsive, right? Go to cart section. Cart is empty, so everything is responsive. Okay, and one more thing, like after you deliver, after your product is delivered, you have rated this one. Like again, if you try to rate this one twice, like good product, and we reviewed this product, now submit review. You failed to submit review, please try again later, right? So like once our product is reviewed, we won't be able to review this again. One more thing, like after we are submitting the review, we are getting this alert. This one is nothing, like I did it for testing purpose. I will remove this one, don't worry about this. Okay, so this was all about the project. So now I will show like what you have to do after you download the code. So after you download the code, you will get this e-commerce app Tailwind zip file, right? After you purchase the code. So now let's unzip this one. So like I am going to show you how to run the code, how to run this application. So here let's unzip this one, extract here. After you extract the file, you will get this folder. Go inside this folder, and here you have backend folder and frontend folder. So let's go inside. Let's open the VS Code here, or okay, let's open any folder, and here let's open the VS Code. In this folder. Also go back and go inside this frontend folder and open the VS Code in this folder too. Open command prompt and type code dash dot, and it will press enter, and it will open the VS Code in this particular folder. So we opened the front end folder and back end folder both. So now we are inside front-end folder. Let's go inside this, and here let's open the terminal. And first of all, what we have to do, we have to install the packages. So for this one, type npm, then npm, and then I means install. You can type install too, npm install, and it will install the packages. It will take little time as per your internet speed. And let's open the another folder too, like the backend folder. So let's go. This is the front end folder. Minimize this one. Okay, this is the front end folder. Minimize this. Open the backend one. This is the backend folder. So front end packages are downloading there. Now let's open the terminal inside this backend folder too. Here also we have to type npm I, and it will install all the packages. Okay. So this one, the backend one, this is the backend one, and this is the front end one. The packages are installing. It will take little time. Okay, so the backend one, inside backend one, all the packages are installed. So go inside this backend one, and all the packages are installed here. Now let's run. Let's type npm start, and it will start the server. It will start the server. Let's reduce the size, and let's come to the front end, and let's check. These are still installing. Front end is installing. Till then, let's check here. Let's start the node.js server. Okay, so our server is starting, and as you see that after we type this npm start, so here it will run this like package.json inside package.json. If you type npm start, it will start this start, and it will run this command nodemon server.js, right? Okay, so our server is running fine. So here you see that server is running at port 5000 and MongoDB connected successfully. So now here this is the backend structure, right? Here is the server.js file. Here is the server.js file. Here we are connecting to MongoDB. Okay, and we are using .env library. So with the help of this, we are like every necessary things that are dynamic, we are storing it inside this .env file. So here we are using this like storing this MongoDB URL. So if you want to run your MongoDB into live or into different like in live or somewhere, then you have to change it here. So this is for localhost only, MongoDB, then this localhost 27017, this is one for localhost, and here this is the database name, right? This one is the database name, ecom, remove this, ecom 2025, save this one. Remember this, like ecom 20225, right? I will show you. And here the Stripe secret key. Here we are storing the Stripe secret key. So if you go to the Stripe, let's go to Stripe. This is a Stripe page. Okay, after you log in, this is the Stripe page. And here let's go to test mode, and let's go to here on the like left bottom, there will be on developers tab. Go inside this, and here you see API key is there. So if you go to this API key, and here you will get this key, right? You will get the key there. So let's minimize this, and this one is client URL. Client URL means our React will run in this. Go inside this checkout, and here we are using this client URL. Okay, so every necessary thing that can be changed, like that can be dynamic, that thing we are using here. So like inside this .env, and we are accessing this with the help of process.env, and then dot whatever the name of that variable, right? So this is the structure of our backend. Let's see the structure. These are the routes. Okay, review, product, order, and here inside the routes we are giving the routes, and we created the function, and we are using this authentication or whatever is required. Like in authentication, we are two types of authentication. One is admin, like authentication for admin, and one is authentication for normal user. And here in this models folder, we are having this models, and this is node_modules folder where libraries are installed. Now our server is running. Now let's go to the front end part, and let's like increase the size, and here you see front end, and now all the packages are installed. Now let's start the server. npm start, and it will start this front end. And while it is starting, let's check this one. Like go inside this source folder. Here we are using Tailwind CSS, so you will get this tailwind.config.js. So here you can like define many things, and let's go to the main thing, that is the source folder. Inside this source folder, I will show you the structure. Okay, so this index.js is the main file, and from here we are calling the app, and from this app we are extending the whole website, right? And this falling balls is one animation that we were using, and we are using as background, and this is the app. We are using it for every page, right? So like it is opening. After, if you go here, go to the front end, and go to the front end, and like it is starting. The front end is React is starting, that's why it opened. Let's go wait. Okay, it is starting at port 3000. While it is starting, let's see other things. So here this is the index and app.js, and where we are like we used the routes, and we are using context. So like ContextApi for like state management, we are using ContextApi, right? So this is the structure. Here are the pages. You see the pages that we are having. These pages are for admin. So whatever pages are for admin, we kept all the pages inside one folder. Okay, here you see admin categories, dashboard, order page, product form, products, review, and these are for like client section. And let's go to context, auth context, these are for authentication. And let's go to the other components. These are that are that were necessary. See, these pages are also component, but these are pages. These are one particular page, but these components are not pages. These are used in inside some pages. So here it is like footer, footer wave, that animation I was trying, but I didn't use it, but I kept it here. You can try it out. And then log out, never, private route, and admin private route. This private route are for protecting the route, to protecting our route. Like if some pages are for authenticated user, so that's why we are using it. If the user is not authenticated, we won't allow. We will be navigating to login page, right? So this is our application, and for any like query or anything, you can let me know. So our application is running. So now let's go, let's check this out, where it is running. Let's check here, and here you see error, right? Error, what error? We are seeing the stripe error. So stripe error will get because we are not using the key. So I will put the key there and the error will go. So you can cut this one and the error will go. Later on I will use the key. So this is the home page, you will see. So there is no data at featured products, and here are the products. There is no product. First of all, what you have to do, you have to register. Now let's register. Give name, give password, give confirm password, and register. Registration successful, and here registration successful. Now let's do one thing. Now let's log in, right? Let's log in with the email and password that we have just registered. Now let's log in, and here you see we are redirected to products page. Now the user is not admin. Okay, so first user, there will not be any admin. So what you have to do, we have to make it admin manually, because we will not allow any registered user to make themselves admin, right? So we will create one user admin from our MongoDB database. Now what we have to do, so here we have to manually change the role of this particular user. So for this one, we have to go to this MongoDB Atlas. I'll show you from beginning. So here we have to install the MongoDB Compass in our computer to run MongoDB locally, to check the MongoDB locally. So here let's connect, and here you see this is our database name, and here all the models are created. Whatever models are there, it has created all these folders. So we have to go to users, and here you see we have this. We have created this user, and here you see user is user. We have to change it to admin and update. Now come here and let's log out, and now let's log in again. Let's log in, and here after changing the role, it has redirected us to the admin page, and from here we have to add the products categories. So you will get this one, right? So without data you will get this. So from here you have to add category. Let's say category bag, and let's create the category. Category is created. Also let's create like another category, t-shirt. Create it. You got this. And if you go to products, you will get these categories. Even if you go to products here, you will get these categories here. Now let's add one product. Let's add one product and add one product name. Product name, give like t-shirt for men, and for description give description for t-shirt. This is good t-shirt. It has beautiful color and cloth quality. Now let's change here to bold. Also give like underscore, and here let's number this one. Okay, now let's add image. Let's add one image. T-shirt I don't have, I think I have this. Open this one. Again add another image. So this is one of the advanced facility to add multiple images, right? This one, and give price, give stock, select category, t-shirt, add. Okay, and it has added this. Now you can edit and do everything. So this is what you will get, right? So products category, we have added this category, and after adding the product, and you see, go to the dashboard, you see total one product. So this dashboard is dynamic, right? And in this way you have to start. And for the like, now go to the home and products, you see the product is here, right? So you see that numbering we have done there, it is, you can see the numbering here. So this is working fine, as you see. And for the stripe one, like for the stripe one, the stripe key that I have shown you, that stripe key here, if you go to like developers, go to API keys, you will get the publishable key and the secret key, right? So you have to like save the secret key. You have to save the secret key inside backend. The secret key will be inside backend. So for this one, you have to come to this .env, and here you have to paste your secret key. And for the publishable key, you have to go to front end. Go to front end and go inside this checkout page, and here you have to put the publishable key. Okay, then everything will be working fine. So this is all about everything that I have shown, starting from zip file to running the application. So if you face any problem, let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely resolve the issue. So thank you so much. Have a nice day.